In days gone by, the earth was lush and green, but humans forgot what the earth had been. They took and they tore without a second glance. The balance was broken by a careless dance. But we are MOLIFHAI, with a mission so clear, to heal the earth and keep it dear, with Roger leading and Doctors by his side. But nice with wisdom, our guide, our pride. We saw the world changing, the forests burned, the rivers polluted, as lessons weren't learned. But in our hearts, we knew the call to change our mindset, to save it all, our pride. So we are MOLIFHAI, with a mission so clear, to heal the earth and keep it dear, with Roger leading and Doctors by his side. But nice with wisdom, our guide, our pride. Doctors of the earth, we stand as one. Roger, Doctors by nice, our work's never done. We teach and we guide, with knowledge in hand, to leave a legacy to protect this land. We tell the world it's time to change, to hand over the earth, not rearrange. To future generations, we'll pass the key to a world restored, to live wild and free. Yes, we are MOLIFHAI, with a mission so clear, to heal the earth and keep it dear, with Roger leading and Doctors by his side. But nice with wisdom, our guide, our pride. Together we rise, with knowledge and might, for the earth's future we'll stand and fight. MOLIFHAI unites, with a purpose grand, to heal the earth and take a stand.